Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily replace your BMW X1 key fob battery. This quick and simple process can be done at home in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll only need one common CR2032 coin battery, which is widely available. Let's get started with the first step to restore your key's full functionality and get you back on the road with confidence. First, locate the small release button on the side of your BMW X1 key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the mechanical valet key. This key is essential for the next step. Now, use the tip of this valet key to gently pry open the key fob's back cover. Look for a small slot or indentation where the key can fit to leverage it open with ease. With the back cover removed, you will clearly see the old, depleted battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 coin battery. Make sure to insert it with the positive side, which usually has text on it, facing upwards. Gently press the new battery into place, ensuring it sits correctly and securely within its slot for optimal performance. Once the new battery is in, carefully align the back cover and snap it firmly back onto the key fob. Ensure all edges are flush and secure. Then, slide the mechanical valet key back into its designated slot until it clicks into place. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm your successful battery replacement. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.